Hi, it's Amanda. If it's your first time here, welcome. For my friends, it's good to have you all back. Today's video is a gentle and calm living video. I wanted to put something mild and relaxing out there today for you guys. I'm finding that it's just as important to really relax and reflect on our lives as much as it is to make the life you want. The stresses of every day can bog us down and wreak havoc on our bodies, so it's important to take care of ourselves as well and give ourselves grace when it's needed. I hope you all are having a good day today and that this video is giving you some relaxing vibes. These are flashcards that my husband and I recently purchased for our 20-month-old grandson. We wanted to have something here for him other than toys to play with for when he gets a little older and begins understanding shapes and numbers. He's still in the noise-making stage of babyhood, so we got him a rattle as well. And the little blue toy with buttons we got from Temu, and it actually works really, really well. So our original diffuser went out on us recently, and I looked for the same one on Amazon only to find out that it wasn't currently available. So I found this really cute one that would be here the next day. When you don't have a dishwasher, the dishes can seem overwhelming at times. I find that the best thing to do, especially if you have the time, is to clean as you go, or clean a dish, silverware, cup, or whatever you've used immediately after that so the dishes don't pile up. It only takes a minute or two, and it will save you so much time later on. These are the vitamins that I've been taking lately. Even though I'm no longer in my childbearing years, I am beginning to take prenatal vitamins again. They're packed with so many good things that we as women just need in our bodies on a daily basis. I'm also taking iodine for my thyroid health, as well as a couple of other things that I don't get daily in my diet. Thank you all for watching today. If you like this video, please leave a like below and consider subscribing as it helps this channel grow. I hope this week treats you well. Until next time.